It's time for the ukulele, and there are 3 different strumming patterns that you can use. The first one is a duck strum, and a duck has down, so this is a way to remember the duck strum, which goes like this: down, 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 ta, 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 and we're going to do that in the refrain. Na 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 na. The next one is a chicken strum, and it's chick, chicka, chick, chicka, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And this is going to be played in the chorus. Even though it can be hard to stand our ground, it won't bring us down. Crazy times we're living in, heads are spinning round, it won't bring us down. So we've got down, down, up, down, down, up. And then the third strum is a swing strum. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And that's for the verses and the pre-chorus. This is our world for us to share. Don't pretend that we're not there. I'll show you all of those strumming patterns up close. The next thing we need to know are the different chords. There are actually 7 chords. The chords aren't difficult, and if you already know C, F and G7 or G, the other chords are quite simple, but there's quite a lot of them. So G sus2, 2 fingers, C chord, 1 finger, E minor, A sus4, D, G, and B minor 7, we're going to cheat a little bit and just do the top 3 strings. Or you can put your fingers down on all of those frets. Here is the simplified ukulele chart all on one slide, and you can see it's made up of ostinato parts except for that last bar of the pre-chorus. So this is our roadmap for the ukulele. You can see next to each section there is a little rhythmic pattern. So you can see the intro and the verse, that's the swing strum, the pre-chorus is the swing strum, the chorus, the chicken strum, and the refrain is the duck strum. Okay, let's have a look at these chords up close. So we have G sus2, and then that leads to D, which is the 3 fingers on the 2nd fret, all underneath each other, 1st, 2nd and 3rd finger. So when I'm changing from G sus2 to D, I simply just slide my 3rd finger across to the 3rd fret. have C. We're going to use this fingering for E minor, because then that will be B minor 7. Now for B minor 7 you can either leave out the G, or it's a really nice chord actually with the G for B minor 7. E minor 7 goes really nicely to B minor 7, and then to A sus. Just move your first and second finger up towards your nose for A sus 4. There are a number of different ways that you can strum. You can use your thumb. So you could try that, or you could use your nails, or your index finger. I find the nails work quite nicely. You can also use a felt pick. Pre-chorus is also swing strum, but now we have E minor 7 to B minor 7, E minor 7 to B minor 7, and then move your two fingers up to A sus 4. Here we go. Sometimes you just want to sing out, but it's hard to find the words. One voice may not seem to be strong, but together it can be heard. So at the very end there, we go from E minor 7 to A sus 4, the last bar. So second last bar, but together we can be heard. One more time, but together we can be heard. Let's have a look at the chorus. It's a chicken strum. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Now I've changed my fingering for the E minor 7. So instead of that fingering, I'm going from D, and I'm just putting my third finger down towards my toes for E minor 7, which means I can then just pop my first finger up the top on the second fret for A sus 4. Watch this again. D, E minor 7 to A sus 4. So that's a really nice, easy change. Even though it can be hard to stand our ground, you won't bring us down. Crazy times we're living in, heads are spinning round, it won't bring us down. Now, the refrain, we're just going to do a duck strum, which are down strums. Na 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 na.